We give it full flaps now. Turn on our final course. Gate traffic, Skylane 7 Bravo Sierra is turning final for 36. Full stop. Gate. You can see we turn the lights on now, so you see them flashing. I'll click 5 more times again to make sure they...
500.
In 500 Cessna.
Southwest 761, we're looking.
Number 7 Bravo Sierra traffic, 2 o'clock, 5 miles southbound, 3,737.
7 Bravo Sierra has that traffic in sight.
Thanks, November 7 Bravo Sierra. They'll stay above you. They're landing at Love. Contact Addison on 126.0. Good day.
126.0. Have a good day, 7 Bravo Sierra. Addison Tower, Skylane 197, Bravo Sierra, level 2500.
Skylane 197, Bravo Sierra, Addison Tower, good morning. 200 right base for runway 33.
Right base 33, 7 Bravo Sierra. Can 7 Bravo Sierra begin descending?
7 Bravo Sierra, yes, you can begin your descent, runway 33, clear to land.
Begin descent, clear to land, 33, 7 Bravo Sierra.
$500.
Seven Bravo Sierra, where depart?
Papa.
7 Bravo Sierra, right turn, Foxtrot, Papa via Alpha, maintenance frequency. Have a nice morning.
Foxtrot, Alpha, Papa, this frequency. You have a great day too, 7 Bravo Sierra.